Hey everyone, welcome back to iTechnolabs. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to run Android apps on your iPhone or iPad. While iOS has a fantastic app ecosystem, sometimes you just want to access Android exclusive apps. That's where Android emulators for iOS come in. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best Android emulators for iOS. This video is brought to you by iTechnolabs, your trusted partner in mobile app development, emulator solutions, and cross-platform app optimization. Let's quickly break down what an Android emulator for iOS actually does. These emulators create a virtual Android environment on your iPhone or iPad, allowing you to install and run Android apps seamlessly. Whether you're a developer testing apps across platforms or a user looking for specific Android apps, can you run Android apps on iOS? The short answer: yes, but with some limitations. Not all apps may work perfectly, and performance can vary depending on the emulator you choose. That's why it's important to pick the right one. Now, let's count down the top 5 Android emulators for iOS. Number 5, iAndroid. Starting off at number 5, we have iAndroid, one of the most user-friendly Android emulators for iOS. With no jailbreak required, it's easy to install and supports multiple Android versions. Pros: simple installation, supports multiple Android versions, free to use. Cons: some apps may not work, occasional performance glitches. Number 4, GBA for iOS. At number 4, we have GBA for iOS. While primarily a gaming emulator, it allows users to run various Android-based apps as well. Plus, it supports cheat codes, customizable controls, and save states. Pros: great for gaming enthusiasts, customizable controls, no jailbreak required. Cons: primarily designed for gaming, so not all Android apps will work. Number 3, iNDS emulator. Number 3 on our list is iNDS, another powerful emulator known for smooth gameplay and app compatibility. It supports multiple platforms and allows you to customize controls for a great experience. Pros: supports multiple platforms, save state and controller support. Cons: requires a third-party app store for installation. Number 2, Dalvik emulator. Coming in at number 2, Dalvik is one of the most powerful Android emulators for iOS. It offers Google Play Store access, meaning you can directly install Android apps. Pros: no need to jailbreak, supports multitasking, compatible with most iOS devices. Cons: paid emulator, some compatibility issues with certain apps. Number 1, ApowerMirror. And finally, our top pick is ApowerMirror, a popular screen mirroring tool that allows users to display their Android device's screen on an iPhone or iPad. This makes it a great option for gaming, streaming, or even presentations. Pros: wireless mirroring. Easily mirror your Android device to iOS without cables. Screen recording, built-in recording feature for capturing gameplay or tutorials. User-friendly interface, simple and intuitive controls for a seamless experience. Cons: limited compatibility, requires iOS 9 or later and Android 5.0 or higher. Paid app, full functionality requires a paid version. Potential security risks: installing from third-party sources may pose security threats. So there you have it, top 5 Android emulators for iOS. Whether you want to develop, enhance, or scale your mobile applications, iTechnolabs is your go-to partner. From cross-platform development and emulator integration to comprehensive mobile app solutions, we have everything you need. So, which one do you think is the best? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.